This is another product called BioGuard. This is BioGuard 2. If you obviously you saw the BioGuard 1, that is for the use on land. Okay, on land. Okay.
On
Now,
land, oil contaminated land.
Right, on a tank pull or a spill or something like that, fuel oil spill, whatever. Okay. Now you have the same kind of fuel oil spills on water. Okay, and they are something to try to contain. Okay, they're really quite difficult to contain. Okay.
Okay.
So the BioGuard also goes on and does its thing by absorbing the oil. It will just suck that oil up right into the BioGuard material, and I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to get it out of here because I didn't really think about that part. But if you notice, it's gone off of the
surface.
Off of the surface. It's
What's that blob at the bottom?
That it just hit the bottom. I just gotta.
Can you get some down there to retrieve it?
Yeah. If you wanted to, you could. Yeah, gone. Yeah, it will suck it into the. It sucks it into the pulp of the BioGuard. Okay, and when you try to, even if you hold it down underwater, it won't release the oil.
Okay, how come this one is showing the redness?
That's because this is not a nanotube. This is not a nanotube. It doesn't it adsorbs. Okay, it's on the outside of the fibers. Okay, but
so it contains it, but it doesn't encapsulate it.
No, it does not encapsulate it. But if you notice, it's gone or out of the water.
Up with it.
Yeah, you lift it out and it comes right out or out of the water. It's
okay, now
gone.
if this were in the ocean, they would have to put that on the ocean, absorb the oil,
well,
and then
typically
skim
what you
it
do
out?
is you put this in like a cheesecloth kind of thing, and you just skim it across the, like a sock. You put it in a big sock.
Right.
Okay, and as it goes along, it just, so you can see, it will just absorb the oil, and that's it. It'll never let it go.
So
and then you mix it.
You couldn't just leave it in the ocean and let it decompose.
No.
You would need to reskim it.
You take it out, you mix it with BioGuard 1, and then you compost it somewhere. And then in 90 days, it's gone.
Right.
I don't think I got you talking about the bacteria on Bio 1.
Yeah.
As far as what happens to it after.
Well, this is what's going to happen. You can see it's on the outside of it here. Okay. Right. When you mix it with the BioGuard 1, the powdery material, the BioGuard 1 will absorb not adsorb. This is adsorption. It's on the outside.
Once you add this to it,
it will absorb. It will absorb it, and then the bacteria in here will compost it into topsoil.
Okay, so when you do it in the water, it's a two-step process there.
Yeah, the point is you want to remove it from the water.
Right.
Okay.
So that's removing it, and then that's
this removes it completely from the water. You can see there's nothing left on the water. It's gone. It's utterly gone. There's nothing left. Anything that you're seeing red is floating, is the BioGuard material absorbing it. No matter what you do, if you hold this underwater
and squish it,
it will not let it won't let the oil out. It's in there, and that's it. It will never let it go.
Okay.
All right, and it's dirt cheap. All of these products represent waste product.
Where's the waste from? Cotton?
Well, this is cottonseed, and this is made from a reconstituted paper, various paper fiber, okay, that's been treated. Okay, it's treated paper fiber, and there's plenty of it around. And no matter what you do with it, you can hold it down, you can squeeze it. No matter what you do, the oil will never ever come out. It's trapped.
Okay, and it's non-toxic.
It's non-toxic. The EPA has given us complete clearance to ship it anywhere because it's not chemical. It's not a chemical. It doesn't treat anything chemically.
Okay.
It's just bacteria. It does all of the work for you.
And this list that you have here.
That is the partial list.
This is a partial list of all the different type of chemicals that
BioGuard will remediate.
Let me bring your bowl over if you're done.
Okay.
We also have a third product which I didn't bring here because it's impossible for me to really demonstrate it. That will chelate any kind of heavy metals. So if you have land that's contaminated with lead or cadmium or any kind of heavy metal, we can remove the heavy metals from the soil also. So I'm going to leave you these these samples you can send too.